In this video, we're just going to discuss outliers. So an outlier, or you can use the word anomaly, is a piece of data that is considerably different from the other data or pattern. What we can also do is we can clean data. So that would be to remove or correct incorrect data. So if we look at an example, which bit of the following data would you consider an outlier? And then it's asking us to clean the data. So if we look at our data, we've got 21, 24, 235, 21, 19, 26.5, 26, and 18. Now, if you look at this data, there's one value that's grossly bigger than the others, which would be the 235. So we could say that is our outlier. That does not belong there. But looking at the other data, we notice that 26.5, we have a point in there. So clearly we can, with our data, go into points, which leads us to think that the 235 should actually be 23.5. So if we were to clean this data, we could either remove that value or correct it. So here, because of the other data, I would suggest we correct it into 23.5 and leave the rest of the data alone. We could also remove that data point completely and leave it with all the other values bar that one.